The Earth rotates on its own axis, and although we do not see it or mention it, we know that it moves constantly. There are several ways in which the Earth moves, and the ones that we know the most are two. The first movement is the one that says that the Earth moves around the Sun and it takes 365 days, and the second movement that the Earth presents is the one in which it moves on its own axis and it takes 24 hours to do so. But there is also another movement. We are talking about axial precession. In order to understand the third movement, we must recognize that the Earth is tilted approximately 23.5 degrees, and we can see that the north pole of the Earth points towards the space near the polar star, but this can change. The reason why this can change is because the axis of the Earth is doing something known as precession. In order to understand this, we have to imagine a spinning top. It is going to wobble in a small circle. This is what the Earth does. While the Earth is rotating, it is also wobbling. Now imagine it this way. Right now the pole of the Earth is pointing somewhere in space, but as the axis changes, it will move in the direction it is pointing. Although the other rotations take less time to complete, the actual precession takes at least 26,000 years, and halfway through the process, in approximately 13,000 years, the movement will also be halfway through, which means that the pole will already point the other way. This is very interesting because if we do the calculations correctly, in approximately 72 years, the Earth will be able to move 1 degree, and thanks to this movement, the constellations will also be affected.